Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Tesla Model 3 Dash. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the 12-volt battery, typically found in the frunk. This prevents electrical shorts and potential injury. Next, use a non-marring plastic pry tool to gently detach the side dash panels. These are usually held by 2 clips on top and 1 clip on the bottom. Carefully remove the instrument panel end caps from both sides. Moving on, you will need to remove the center dash wood trim. This piece often provides access to screws and clips for other components. Once the trim is off, locate and remove all screws securing the glove box. Disconnect its wiring harness, which typically includes a USB cable and other connections. Then, carefully take out the entire glove box assembly, setting it aside safely. Now, focus on the air ducts and speakers. Remove the upper and lower air ducts from both the driver and passenger sides. Next, unscrew and disconnect the 3 dash speakers, ensuring their wiring is carefully detached. Finally, meticulously disconnect all dash wiring harnesses. These are often clipped to the cross-beam brace, so take your time to unclip and remove them completely. With all components disconnected, remove any remaining dash pad screws. The dash is primarily held by approximately 17 metal clips designed to hold tightly. Use a plastic pry tool or an air wedge to gently release these clips, working your way across the dashboard. Once all fasteners are free, carefully lift and slide the entire dashboard out. Reinstallation is the reverse process. Ensure all clips snap securely, and screws are tightened to 2.3 Newton meters.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.